Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in New York City. We're actually in Brooklyn today at Brighton Beach. It's known for its high population of Russian-speaking immigrants, and it's a summer destination for New York City residents due to its beaches along the Atlantic Ocean and its proximity to the amusement parks in Coney Island. Brighton Beach is a neighborhood in the southern portion of Brooklyn within the greater Coney Island area along the Atlantic Ocean coastline. It's bounded by Coney Island proper at Ocean Parkway to the west, Manhattan Beach at Corbin Place to the east, Sheepshead Bay at Belt Parkway to the north, and the Atlantic Ocean to the south along the beach and boardwalk. It's included in an area from Sheepshead Bay to Seagate that was purchased from the Native Americans in 1645 for a gun, a blanket, and a kettle. That seems fair, right? In the mid-1970s, Brighton Beach became a popular place to settle for Soviet immigrants, mostly Jewish, from Russia and the Ukraine. So many immigrated to Brighton Beach that the area became known as Little Odessa after the Ukrainian city on the Black Sea. A large number of Russian immigrant firms, shops, restaurants, clubs, offices, banks, schools, and children's play centers opened in the area during the 70s. In this video, we'll check out the boardwalk area along the ocean here, as well as Brighton Beach Avenue, which runs parallel to the Coney Island Beach and Boardwalk, which is where most of the area's activity runs. This Brighton Beach video is another from the New York Channel's New York Vault, taken from the archives of older New York City videos here on the New York Channel. So what do you say? Let's check out Brighton Beach, Brooklyn, here in New York City. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.